Thank you for entering your email address. I want to take a minute to share something I'm honestly a little nervous talking about because there's a good chance you're sitting there right now feeling the same way I felt back in 2020, which was feeling like a failure. And maybe you've tried this make money online thing before and it didn't work. Maybe you're starting to wonder if it's even possible for someone like you. I get it. Trust me, I've been there. And so I want you to picture this. In 2019, I'm managing 70 plus sales reps in a door-to-door sales company projected to make 150,000 plus. I thought I had life figured out. I was cocky, I was confident. Then COVID hit like a freight train. My sales team collapsed overnight. The expenses were crushing me. I remember sitting in my car afterwards, realizing I'd lost over 150,000, just sweating, wondering how I was going to tell my pregnant wife that we were completely broke. And I had to borrow money just to keep the lights on. And that collapse, it was part of the process for me. But at that time, it felt like the end of the world. And honestly, it probably wasn't even my fault. Well, I know it wasn't even my fault because of COVID, but because most of the information out there about building a business doesn't tell you the whole truth. You've seen those opportunities that look fantastic from the outside, but when you get in, it's 10 times harder than they made it look. And what's worse, half these gurus telling you how to make money online have never actually made the money the way they're teaching you. So I was a victim of those same false promises that nobody stands behind. But that rock bottom moment in 2020, that's when I realized something that changed everything. Marketing without heart is just noise. And that forced collapse pushed me online. And I finally found something different, something that actually works. Listen, the key isn't some complicated system or secret formula. It's multiple income streams by partnering with companies that provide real value to real people. And since that dark moment in 2020, I've been able to build an audience of 190,000 people on TikTok, 50,000 plus people on Instagram, 6,000 plus on YouTube. I've generated millions of views helping real people solve real problems. I worked as a director of marketing at Repurpose.io with thousands of creators worldwide and hit six figures online, all from online income streams, like I just said. But here's what I want you to understand. I'm not sharing this to brag. I'm sharing this because if it can work for a guy who lost everything, had to borrow money for groceries, it can work for you too. And you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true, or why would this work for me? I felt the same way. I thought my story didn't matter. I thought I had nothing valuable to offer. But here's what I discovered. Your mess can become your message if you're willing to be vulnerable enough to share it. And that's what I'm sharing with you today. And this could be the breakthrough that you've been praying for. This opportunity was put together by Russell Brunson, one of my favorite marketers, and he's a guy who's built multiple 8-figure businesses and actually practices what he teaches, which I really admire. So when you click on the button on this page, you're going to see a presentation that could change everything for you. You'll learn about his background and how he wants to share this proven business model with you. But here's what makes this different from every other opportunity you've seen. I'm not just sending you there empty-handed like some affiliate robot who doesn't care what happens to you. I'm putting my reputation on the line by recommending this to you, and I'm stacking the deck in your favor with exclusive bonuses worth, quite a bit of money, maybe more than most courses that you've ever bought. And the first one is the Millionaire Viral Facebook Writer. It's the exact tool that generated 16 million views in 7 days. And that's like no BS. That's amazing. Real eyeballs, real engagement, real money. And then here's the next bonus is a 24 access to an 8-figure mentor online. It's a chatbot. It's like having a personal coach loaded with 2,000 plus trainings available anytime you're stuck or confused. And then also an exact campaign breakdown from becoming a top 5 affiliate for one of Alex Hormozi's Leads book launch. And then also On the Edge audio series for those days when you feel like quitting, because honestly, A lot of this game is mindset. And then also the mind-body optimization blueprint, because you can't build a thriving business, if your body and mind are running on fumes all the time. And then lastly, there's a bonus called the Content Everywhere Engine, which you turn one video into weeks of content across multiple platforms with simple workflows that save hours. And I put that together for you as well. So look, I'm just 32-year-old, married, father of 2 and with a third on the way. And family is the reason behind everything I do. This isn't about buying a Lamborghini for me or showing off on Instagram. This is about freedom. This is about peace of mind, more time with the people who matter most, and really not taking orders from some boss with coffee breath who doesn't care about your dreams. Your kids are watching, your spouse is watching. What are you going to show them? Because here's what I know after 6+ years of working with thousands of creators. If you don't take action today, you'll be in the same place a year from now or 2 years from now, still wondering, what if? This is your moment right now, like it was my moment back then. You can either click this button and potentially change everything, or close this page and stay exactly where you are. I don't know how long Russell is going to keep this presentation and opportunity available, but what I do know is that every day you wait is another day your competition gets ahead of. So right now, and I mean right now, just click the button below, watch this presentation, see if this hits you in the gut like it hit me. And if this doesn't work for you, like I said, it reflects on me. I'm that confident in what you're about to see. I'm genuinely excited for you. This could be the breakthrough you've been praying for. But you have to take the first step. Click the button, watch the presentation, see for yourself if this is your moment.